एव्हरीवन, वेलकम बॅक टू अवर सी प्रोग्रामिंग फुल कोर्स. आज आपण खूप इम्पॉर्टंट टॉपिक शिकणार आहोत. तो म्हणजे लूप्स इन सी प्रोग्रामिंग. इन प्रोग्रामिंग समटाइम्स वी नीड टू रिपीट द सेम टास्क मल्टिपल टाइम्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, प्रिंटिंग अ नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 100, प्रिंटिंग अ टेबल, running a menu again and again. Instead of writing a code 100 times, we use loops. शॉर्टकटमध्ये सांगायचं झालं तर loops help us to repeat code easily. So what exactly is a loop? A loop is a control structure that allows us to execute a block of code multiple times. Loops are very important because they reduces the code repetitions, they save time, they make code cleaner. Programming without loop is almost impossible. म्हणून loop हा प्रोग्रामिंगचा बॅकबोन आहे. In C programming we have three types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while. We will understand each one in detail with example. Let's start with most commonly used loop, for loop. This is the syntax of for loop. In for loop we write for in bracket, initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment, or we can write decrement. In bracket we can write code. Let's understand each part. Initialization, it runs once. Second condition, checked every time. Third increment, it updates variables. For example, if you want to print 1 to 5 numbers using for loop, then write in for loop integer I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. And in statements, write a printf %d for integer number and variable I. The output is 1 to 5 numbers are printed. Now let's try run. I is equal to 1, condition true, print 1. I is equal to 2, print 2. I is equal to 3, print 3, and so on up to 5. When I is equal to 6, condition false, it stops the loop. Now let's move to while loop. This is the syntax for a while loop. In this we can start loop with while keyword in bracket condition, and in curly bracket we can write a code. For example, if you want to print 1 to 5 numbers using while loop, first we initialize I variable to 1. In while loop we can write condition, that is I is less than equal to 5, and in statements we can write %d for integer value and I, and also increment value I by 1. Important points: conditions is checked first. If condition is false, loop will not run even once. While loop use करतो जेव्हा iterations count माहित नसतो. Now let's understand do while loop. Following the syntax of do while loop, in that we write first do keyword in curly bracket code, and then after condition. After condition we can write semicolon. This is the example for do while loop. In this we also print 1 to 5 numbers using do while. In this, first print I, then increment I, and then check the condition, that is I is less than equal to 5. Important about this loop is, this loop runs at a once. Even if condition is false, it executes one time. हा डिफरन्स खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, एक्झाम मध्ये विचारला जातो. Now difference between three loops. Let's compare all the loops. For loop used when iterations are known, while loop used when conditions based. Do while loop executes at least once. Simple run. Fixed count you can use for loop. Unknown count you can use while loop. Now let's understand infinite loop. This is the example for infinite loop. In this you can write while in bracket, no condition, only write 1, and in statement print hello. This loop will run forever. Why? Because condition is always true. हे अवॉइड करायला पाहिजे, नाहीतर प्रोग्राम हँग होतो. तुमची आउटपुट विंडो क्लोज होत नाही, फोर्सफुली तुम्हाला क्लोज करावी लागते, अदरवाइज आउटपुट कंटिन्युअस एक्झिक्यूट होत राहतं. Let's see real world usage of loops. Loops are used in different programs like ATM machine menu, mobile apps refresh, games running loop, login retry system. सगळीकडे लूप्स वापरले जातात. Students usually make these mistakes while writing a loop. First, forget about increment and decrement. Write wrong conditions. Use or by mistakenly write a infinite loop and missing semicolon. Always debug your code carefully. So today we learned what is loop, types of loops, for loop, while loop, do while loop, and infinite loop. Loops are one of the most important concept in programming. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण शिकणार आहोत आर इन सी प्रोग्रामिंग. सो कीप प्रॅक्टिसिंग अँड कीप कोडिंग. थँक्यू.